My dear viewers, the engineers, the architects, project management companies, the contractors, and the clients, the valued clients who want to build their construction projects. I am always thankful to you all to subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel to the engineers and in your contact and to your networks. I am thankful to you for that, and I submit my gratitude to each and every viewers who has subscribed my channel, liked my channel, and shared my channel. So I'm going to upload my lecture uh, part 2 of the engineering, what is engineering today. Hope it will be beneficial for the engineers who are working at construction project, for the junior architects who are visiting or are posted at construction project. So please don't feel I mean, you are feel free to question if there is any in your mind, and also your comments are very important for me. So please do the comment and do the question. Thank you very much. My email ID is at bottom of this slide. Thank you. Here, engineers, the project management companies, the architectural companies, and the contractors. As per my commitment in previous lectures, and I promise that I will upload a lecture on civil engineering, mechanical engineering, means the description of the engineering and types of the engineering. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss the same thing. So first of all, what is engineering? Engineering is the broad field that involves applying scientific, mathematical, and practical knowledge to design, build, and maintain systems, structures, devices, and process that solves real-world problems. Engineering uses their expertise to create solutions that enhances the quality of life and improves the efficiency and meets the social and practical knowledge at daily life. Now, number one, in this slide, I am going to discuss about the civil engineering. What is civil engineering? Civil engineering deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of infrastructures like roads, bridges, buildings, dams, and other public works. Key areas of the civil engineering are structural engineering, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, and geotechnical engineering. These are the main areas of the civil engineering. So in this slide, I have discussed with you briefly about what is engineering and what is civil engineering. In upcoming slides, we will discuss other branches of the engineering. Please go through all the slides and my videos. Thank you. Dear engineers, the architects and project management companies, and all the contractors, we are going to discuss about the branches of engineering furthermore. And in this slide, we are going to discuss about what is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering focuses on designing and manufacturing mechanical systems, including the machines, engines, tools, and plants, and other mechanical devices. This is one of the oldest and broadest branches of the engineering. Key areas of the mechanical engineering are thermodynamics, mechanics, robotics, fluid dynamics, and all that. Now we are going to discuss about the electrical engineering. What is electrical engineering? The concern with the electrical engineering concerns with the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetic fields and all that. Electrical engineering works on systems like power generation, electrical circuits, telecommunications, and electronics devices. Key areas of the electrical engineering are circuit power systems, control systems, communication, and microelectronics. Third one is the chemical engineering. This focuses on process involved in converting raw material into valuable products such as fuels, chemicals, pharmaceutical items, and foods. The branch blends chemistry, biology, and engineering principles. Key areas of chemical engineering are to process design, material science, thermodynamics, and biotechnology. So all these qualities are of the three types of engineering: mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and chemical engineering. Hope you will enjoy and it will be beneficial for the engineers of each trade, which I am talking about that and which I have presented in my slides, in pictures and in text. Thank you very much. Dear viewers, in this slide we are going to discuss about the aerospace engineering, industrial engineering, environmental engineering, and about the biomedical engineering. So first of all, we will go through the aerospace engineering. What is aerospace engineering? It specializes in the design, development, and production of aircrafts and spacecrafts. The branch combines mechanical, electrical, and other systems also. The key areas of this engineering are aerodynamics, propulsion system, and aviation system, and space exploration. So all these systems are to be considered very important for this type of engineering. The second one is industrial engineering. Industrial engineering is very important for the daily life now. It involves the optimizing complex systems process, improving efficiency, reducing waste, and ensuring that wastage and ensuring that the production and operational process runs smoothly in industries. Key areas of industrial engineering are operations, research, supply chain management, systems, and engineering quality control. All these systems are necessary for the key areas of the industrial engineering. Now, environmental engineering. This focuses on designing systems and process to protect the environment and public health. This is very important, addressing issues like pollution, waste management, and sustainable development. The key areas are water and air quality management, waste disposal, renewable energy, and environmental policies are also made in this engineering. Biomedical engineering is merged as with medical and biological attention to develop medical devices, equipments, and technologies that improves the patient's care and healthcare outcomes also. The key areas are medical imaging, prosthetics, tissue engineering, and bioinformatic engineering. So all these branches of the engineering are dealt with each and every type of engineers, and they are developing day by day for the enhancement of the engineering branches. Thank you very much to go through my slides and go through my pictures on the bottom of each slide. Thank you very much. Dear engineers, dear contractors, their project management companies, and their architects and the architectural companies. In this slide number 6, we will discuss about the computer engineering, the nuclear engineering, and the petroleum engineering very briefly. The computer engineering focuses on the design and development of computer systems, softwares, hardwares, and all that. It combines aspects of electrical engineering and computer science. Because this is very modern engineering, and the students are trying to jump into this engineering. Second one is nuclear engineering, which deals with the application of nuclear processes and energy, such as nuclear reactors, power plants, and medical treatment plants. Key areas of nuclear engineering are nuclear reactors, radiation protections, nuclear energy, and all that. So this is very sensitive engineering, and I advise the students to go to this engineering system, which opens the brain also. More research is involved in this engineering. Now, petroleum engineering focuses on the exploration, extraction, and production of oil and natural gases. This includes the drilling operations, reservoirs management, and energy resource management. The key areas are drilling technology, reservoir engineering, and petrochemical process to extract the oil and gases. So these are also very important type of engineering branches. When people avoid to go for this because of the hard work, but it is very fruitful for the engineers to attract. Dear viewers, in this slide also we are going to discuss about the marine engineering, the architectural engineering, and the mining engineering. Each engineering branch is very important. Mind it, please. The students must go to that branch which is their intention, and they think they will be successful, having a successful career. So what is marine engineering? It is the design and maintenance of ships, boats, and other marine vessels, along with the population. I have discussed about that, this engineering. Once again, I'm going to discuss with this. The architectural engineering combines the architectural and engineering both to focus the design and construct the buildings infrastructure, and ensuring that the structures and functional aspects of the buildings meet safety, security, and quality aesthetic standards. So these are very important points to be considered. The architectural engineering key areas are building system, lighting, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, structural, and all that. Now finally, the mining engineering of this slide involves the extraction of minerals. Our country is rich of minerals, and we are not extracting as required for us. This type of engineering, the minerals extraction, mine design, and safety engineering is involved in this branch. Thank you very much. Dear viewers, from slide number 1 to slide number 6, we discussed about the description of the engineering and type of engineering. In this slide, we will start going through the history of the engineering. The history of engineering is closely tied to the development of human civilization. Engineering is very old and very ancient time engineering, as a part has existed since ancient times and has evolved through the various stages, driven by advances in science, technology, and need to society. Let's explore its key milestone through the history, in which, first of all, we will discuss about the prehistoric and ancient engineering. That is, prehistoric engineering is the earliest form of engineering, was practical and arose from basic survival needs. And then the ancient time civilization engineering was from 3000 BCE to 500 AD. Then Egyptian and Mesopotamian, Greek, and other civilizations also adopted the engineering. The Middle Age engineering was from 500 to 1500 AD. So these are the brief history of the engineering. In this slide we have discussed, and you can go through the pictures and you can go through the text of my slide. I cannot discuss the details of the history because it's very vast history. So I have just briefly discussed with you, and if you have any question, please feel free to raise the question, and your comments also will be valuable to me. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. We'll continue from slide number 7 to this slide number 8 about the history of the engineering. The Renaissance engineering was 14th century to 17th century. The Renaissance saw a revival of interest in science, art, and engineering. Key figures like Leonardo da Vinci combines engineering with arts, sketching, designing, and machine and devices such as flying machine, armored vehicles, and hydraulic pumps. All these things. Then was the Gallico engineering. Isaac Newton laid the foundation of modern physics, which would later influence the development of engineering principles. So this is the brief history of the engineering. Renaissance engineering was from 14th to 17th century. Remember it. The Middle Age engineering was 500 to 1500 AD. Please remember these figures and the years, so that you can research more on these things. You can, because everyone is able to go to the Google and other formats also. So I am going to conclude my lecture. In my last lecture, I will be thankful to you for that, and I am thankful to you for subscribing, liking, and sharing my channel to the engineers, so that they can get some practical and technical knowledge. The junior architects also, those who are involved, and those who are deputed at construction projects. These lectures are very important for them. Thank you very much. History of engineering is being studied by all of us, and I think we learned a little bit of the history of engineering. In slide number 1 to slide number 7, slide number 6, we discussed about the description of his engineering and the type of engineering and their areas of importance of the engineer. In this slide, I am going to conclude the slide, and you can go through the conclusion of my two slides, slide number 7 and 8, in which I have discussed about the history of the engineering, and this is the conclusion of the history of the engineering. Now, I am going to, thanks to all my viewers, the engineers, the contractors, the project management company, the architectural company, the architect, and especially the valued clients who wish to build their buildings or construction project. These these lectures may be useful for them. So I'm thankful to all of you to subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel to as many as engineers, architects and the people affiliated with the construction field. If you haven't, I request you once again to consider it, considering to subscribing, liking and sharing my channel to as many as people in your contact, as many as engineers in your contact, the architects in your contact, for which I will be thankful to you. Thanks a lot. Each and every viewer is valuable for me. I request them to please feel free to raise the questions. My email ID is bottom of this slide, and also I want the comments from you. If the comments are there, it will be valuable for me for my lectures to improve. Thank you very much. Goodbye and good night.